Step by step I walk so free. The world unfolds in front of me. Golden sunlight paints the ground. Soft wind whispers all around. Clouds are dense and shifting high. Stories written in the sky. Every moment, every hue, a gentle sunlight shines through. I'm reaching for the sky so wide, breathing in the changing light. Grateful for the air I breathe, for all the beauty surrounding me. You lie. Footsteps echo soft and slow, the quiet streets where flowers grow. Raindrops kiss the earth so kind, a fleeting touch, a gift divine. Clouds are dancing, shifting high. Stories written in the sky. Every moment, every hue, a gentle sigh, life shines through. I'm reaching for the sky so wide, breathing in the changing light. Grateful for the air I breathe, for all the beauty surrounding me. You lie. Every season, every shade, a masterpiece the heavens make. No need to chase, no need to hide, just lift my heart and touch the sky.